Hello everyone. In this video I'd like to go over the concept of limits. So first let's talk about the big idea of what we mean by the limit of a function f of x as the input x approaches the value a. Let's say it could be a or b or whatnot. Let's say value b. So two important things to keep in mind here are that we're focusing on the function f of x, and we're doing so within a given neighborhood as x, the input x, lies around the specific value b. So the idea is we're thinking about the function's behavior within that neighborhood of the value b, and by approaching we mean as x either increases towards the value b, we talk about approaching from the left or from below, or as the value of x decreases towards the value of interest b. In that instance, we talk about approaching from the right or from above. And there's a specific notation for each case. So let's go over how to write each type of limit. So we talk about the limit of f of x as x approaches b, and we use this notation for that purpose. So we use lim, limit sign, x arrow b f of x. So this is how we represent this limit. So the limit of the function f of x as x approaches the value b. Now there's the left limit. There's a notation for the left limit and the right limit. So for the left limit of the function f of x as x approaches b, i.e. the limit of f of x as x approaches b from the left, same thing. So this time we use a very similar notation. So if you still have limit sign f of x, x arrow b, but we add the negative sign to b because we are approaching from below, from the left. And for the right limit, or the limit as you approach b from the right, we'll use the plus sign. I'm pretty sure you guessed it. So the right limit of f of x as x approaches b will be written limit sign f of x, x arrow b plus sign. Now that we're okay on the definition, On the notation, let's go over the definition of what the limit is. We know at this point, we know it's about figuring out the behavior of that function f of x within the neighborhood b of number b, this fixed value b. So the definition of a limit goes like this. In order for the limit of f of x as x approaches b to exist, three conditions must be met. First condition is the left limit must exist, meaning that limit is equal to a unique fixed number. So you can see this, the idea of convergence, as x gets closer and closer to the value b from below or from the left. You can see how the function, the value of f of x, the output, seems to be increasing towards a fixed value. So the left limit exists in that case. First condition. So the second condition is the right limit must exist as well. And the third condition for the limit to exist is that the left and right limit should be equal to each other. So from the left and the right, the function must converge towards the same unique fixed value. So I'll make another video to go over a few examples. See you on the next video.